So what you can also do with CapCut is you can utilize image style transfer option. So to access that out from your home page, you need to go under Magic Tools and then access image style transfer from over here. So once you do that, you need to go around and upload out an image over here. So I'm just going to go around and select, let's say for example, this image of a girl right here and click on open. And this is what you have, as you can see. So now what you can do is you can choose a style, like I can select 3D game and click on transfer right here. And now what happens is that it detects out the contents of this image and you can see that it transfers it out, it changes it out into something else right here. Similarly, you can go around, change it out to Hong Kong cartoon right here. So let's see how that actually looks. It goes around and analyzes out the picture and you can see that the style has been transferred. Similarly, you can go around and change this into a manga as well. So as you go around over here, you can see that it analyzes and changes the style of the picture right here. So this is the before and this is the after, as you can see right here. So let's just go around onto Hong Kong style cartoon right here. And you can see that this is what you have. So this is before and this is after right here. And you can go around and then edit this more to take this onto the editor, or you can go around and then expand this to go full screen, or you can go around and download this out as well. So once I go around and click on download, you can see that you can go around and download this out over here and then it gets downloaded. So this is what you have, as you can see, the stylized photo in a Hong Kong style cartoon. So that is how you can utilize the image style transfer option inside of Magic Tools in CapCut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe